I think for you, it need to be longer, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but depending on how you like it,
Yeah.
like a lot of people don't really want the jacket like these. So in my opinion, varsity jackets,
It's okay.
they're not meant to really be like long.
Uh-huh.
Posted stop way
Yeah.
shorter than the sleeves.
Yeah.
Like they're supposed to like this shouldn't be
Yeah.
lined up with the arms. It should be shorter. It should
Yeah.
be shorter. It should be like this.
Awesome. Yeah, because you already in this business a couple of years,
Yeah.
so you know your customer, you know the markets.
Yeah, they want it to be like this. They don't want it to be like a coat. They
Yeah.
want it to be more like this, like a jacket.
I see.
But this medium fit good.
Pretty good, right? Then this one you can set up as large.
And this this could be this could be like a large. Yeah.
Set up as large, and then we can do size grading for you. Yeah, and
I would need a large though.
And the sleeve is good for you. The sleeve is comfortable for you. Nice. Yeah, imagine Esto, right?
Esto,
Yeah.
exactly. Oh, that's how I like that, man.
Yeah.
Everything Esto. Damn, I do like the way these feel. Because I've had jackets in the past where the wool, it
peeling,
balls up.
Like
linting.
peeling.
Yeah. How is this on the wear and tear?
Yeah. You need to choose high quality fabric.
So is this a higher quality or?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
I like this. So I need to keep this noted. What is this? And what is the material on this right here? This.
Yeah, it's okay. We will choose for you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So when
You
I
can
say I want the jacket.
pick out the one you like. Leave here, and we take picture and take a note where you want to change.
Okay.
And even you ask me to confirm the timeline and the price I can give you now. And then you can place order.
These